Wait, so this is a vlog I tried to make, and this is my first time trying to make a vlog, so just bear with me, even if it's a little like sketchy and all that. But I also do gotta say I am not a hiker, and the main topic of this video is the hike. But I'm not a hiker, man. I tried doing hikes before, like small local hikes, but I wouldn't consider that being a hiker. Something local. I even ran it. I ran it sometimes. It's more like training more than hiking. To me, is getting in shape and all that. But I'm not a hiker. I'm not the type of person like to go look at a mountain and say, oh, I'm gonna climb that shit. I'm not. Well, I'm not saying I won't be. I'm just saying I wasn't. But this hike that I did was something crazy. Well, to me, it was crazy. Now that I did it, I feel like there's a lot of crazier stuff I could be doing. Like before, when I first heard of it, I was like, what? Half dome, 8 hours? I'm like, bro, that sounds so crazy. Like in my mind, I was contemplating. I was like, am I really gonna do this? Am I really gonna waste 8 hours walking? And I fucking applied for a permit and I got picked, bro. I got picked like the first try. I was like, this is insane. I have to do this. So I did it. The same wasn't the next two nights. I woke up at like 12 a.m. and just started heading over there. Got there at 3 a.m. And bro, it was 12 hours. It was supposed to be 8 hours, but it turned out to be 12 hours because I got lost. There's a lot of stuff that happened, and I'm explaining it throughout this whole video. But yeah, a lot of it, like I said, the video's gonna be portrait, which sucks. So you're just gonna have to bear with the little black lines, It is what it is, man. But let's get into it.
Okay, so this part I want to mention, I actually got lost before I even started the hike. I have a recording. At this part, I kind of have recorded like some little recordings, but right there, you see where I was going to the edge? That's where I fucking got lost, bro. Like, it was bad. All right, for all of this stuff, I have it recorded. I'm gonna just play the recordings and just let it be.
Alright, so I just got here. Looking creepy as hell. I have my lights like at all the way low, so I don't want to waste the batteries, but yeah, it's fucking creepy as fuck. But yeah, I haven't even started the hike. I gotta hike to get to the hike, which is kind of crazy, but yeah. And we're officially starting the trail. I looked went the wrong way at first, so I had to walk all the way back and then come over here. But we're cool. I mean, I think I'll still reach Dome Peak at sunset. It'll be cool. It's less scary than on the road. It's a cool ass low paved pathway, but yeah, they were doing good. Can't really see it, but this looks pretty cool in the dark. Like with the flashlight, creepy as hell. And I'll come back to see it today, but just to see in the night, it's crazy. It's honestly crazy. Alright, now keep going. This is actually so creepy. It's dope, but creepy as hell. I mean, this is dope. Okay. See, this is dark as dope. But this looks like straight from a horror movie.
This part, since I wasn't with anyone, I just wanted to put the phone down and record myself, get a picture of it. I actually got a pretty cool picture out of this. I got it like right here in this moment. I was like, hey bro, you know what, I'm gonna post a hike right there, and I got that pic.
I'm officially an hour in. Honestly, it's just fucking hard, bro. It's pure going up and up and up. I don't think I've encountered a flat place yet, bro. It's just pure climbing up and up. I don't even think it's gonna be this deep, but I mean, the views are pretty dope even in the dark. Yeah, currently 4:30 a.m. I think we're actually making bad progress, but I don't know if we're gonna reach it. Fucking peak at sunset, but keep going, man.
All right, this is the part that messed me up completely, bro. So I was going in the path, and then I ran into like a sign that said it was falling boulders. And I was so close to just doing it, but I didn't end up doing it. So there's a D route, and I went to it like right here. You see where I'm going? And then I go back up, bro. That whole thing was a D route. And I went the wrong way. I was going back to the thing. Like here, I even took a screenshot. I was like, bro, what's going on?
So the path I was supposed to take was closed because of falling boulders and shit. So I have to take a detour, which I don't know how much time it's gonna add. Oh, I'm not reaching that sunset, bro. It is what it is, man. First, I'm still on the detour, but I don't know where the fuck the trail is at, bro. Like, this is a whole lot of nothing. So there's starting to see more people. I don't know if they're coming or going. I'm guessing community, which is kind of weird. The trail is a bit better now. I mean, it still sucks. I look at this shit. I can't even stand it, but I at least know where to go now. It is pretty cool though. So I've been saying good morning to every single person by. I've been saying good morning to every person passing by. And every single one of them has a walking stick, bro. I feel like I fucked up not getting some. I mean, I kind of get it. It's just steep as hell. There's all stairs too, but yeah, bro, every single one of them has a stick, and I don't. They look at me too. I feel like they looked at me and they're like, this guy's down, bro. But okay, we still move on, bro. Bro, I see the detour. I guess I went the wrong way. mean, I got this fucking beautiful. I went the wrong way. I was going back. So I wasted hella fucking time coming back. Now for sure it's not reaching that shit during sunset. I don't know when I'm reaching it, but damn, bro.
Okay, so yeah, that whole steep ass shit, I had to like climb it. I mean, I got this view, the dope ass view in the days. You know, I was pretty happy. It's not a bad view. But the most embarrassing shit was that every person I was talking about, like behind me, like that, everyone had sticks. I ended up passing them again because I had to go up and they were going a little slower than me. And I ended up passing them, so they probably thought I looked so stupid, bro. It was bad. And I do gotta say, this whole way up, I was discouraged as fuck. Like, I was like so close to just turning back because I knew I wasn't gonna reach the sunset. So yeah, all this, it was just me being upset. But it's just a sick ass picture I got of myself in the kind of sunset. So, you know, I got something out of it.
Alright, it's 6 a.m. now. I'm still fucking recovering from that dumbass zero, bro. Messed everything up. I still don't even know if the half dome is actually open or not, but I'm going back either way. It is what it is, man. 2 more hours. I was actually pretty discouraged because of the detour, but seeing the half dome right there, bro, she got me all excited again. I need to go, bro. I need to go. Alright, so I guess the other mountain wasn't half dome. That's half dome, bro. It's right there. I'm so close. I really wish I got sunset though, or sunrise, I mean. But this is cool nonetheless, bro. Look at this. So close. Look at all those little people, bro. Little ants. That's gonna be me right now. I just gotta keep pushing. We're almost there. This view is nice though. Can't wait to see on top. One more mile, I think.
All right, so this whole climb up, I started getting muscle cramps right here, and this is the part where I was fucking suffering, bro. I didn't even record anything. Like, I recorded, but I didn't talk. I didn't, you know, I completely forgot about my vlog, about like trying to make a vlog. This is where I was in the deep end right here, bro. I was like, you know, I have to make it through. I tried to survive at this point. I was like, bro. So I just kept going. All right, so I didn't really record for anything. I'm gonna just voice over everything. So yeah, right here, it was just like a good ass view, bro. Like the feeling right here, being here, it was so amazing. And then seeing everything like from the bottom to the half dome, I was like, bro, this is scary. Yeah, to me, I was scared, bro. Like, I mean, at that point, I wasn't scared. I was more like, damn, would I even make it? Just a little bit more. So I kept pushing. But you know, the view was so nice. This is when I started. You know, I was like, I might just chill here for a bit. And I did chill here. This is where I ate. I ate here, and then going up, I don't know what this is. But right here in the stairs, bro, it didn't feel as bad. The what's it called? The subdome was way worse than actually climbing the ropes to me. And you know, the view was amazing. I got a dope ass picture, you know. Then here's me with everything in the background, little smiley. But on the way back, bro, I was still getting muscle cramps on the way down. Even though I took a little break, I didn't get it when I was like fully bad. But here's like a little cramp, little twitching. That wasn't me. That was the muscle cramp, and it kept getting worse, bro. I actually no, it got better. And the subdome is when it was so bad. I kept taking breaks, but you know, I just went back down, took a little more breaks, like right here, you know, like enjoying the view. But yeah, it's just next time electrolytes, bro.
Alright, I already left half dome. I didn't say anything because there was like hella people and I didn't really want to talk. But oh, my legs are fucking killing me, bro. Like I was cramping up, my muscles cramping up, bro. I don't know if I was gonna make it honestly, but we made it. Going down, way easier than going up. Still got like 4 hours to go though, so just gotta keep pushing.
This is the same like waterfalls I saw in the morning, but you know, in the day it looks way better. But okay, this is some bullshit right here. Okay, so I went, and I guess the mist trail, I needed to go back down. Like the first one I went up when I went the wrong way was closed, so I had to wait a whole hour just to get out of there, bro. A whole fucking hour. And then the rest of this is just me going down. It was just me. Honestly, I was just quiet the whole time. I just wanted to get out of there. I wanted to get back home. I wanted to get in my car at least, bro. I just needed to leave already.
It's already 12 a.m. Just downhill from here, bro. This is nice. Going up here was so whack. Now it's like, it's easy. I mean, I'm walking hella zesty and shit because it's downhill, but way better than coming up. Still 4 more hours, bro. I took some breaks. I have fucking muscle cramps, so still 4 more hours. I'll get back to it. Yeah, I'm back where I started. It was all dark. And the same thing because I was just silent, bro. I was just pure walking, trying to survive. I'm not here, bro.
And that's the end. This was me on the way out. I had to go through another detour in this thing, but it was a pretty cool bridge. I'm not mad about that one. But yeah, I'm sorry if it was like really poorly made. I didn't really think of a YouTube video in my mind. I just wanted to record and see what happens. But yeah, maybe next time.